This lab was intended to propagate cracks in steel specimens. To do this, we set a furnace to 850 degrees Celsius. Once the furnace was set and at temperature, we placed the steel specimens inside and waited for them to glow red hot. As soon as the specimens were glowing, we extracted them from the furnace and then immediately quenched them to give them a thermal shock. This thermal shock of going from hot to cold is what generates cracks in the metal. However, doing it just once is not enough for us to find cracks easily. So, we placed the specimen back in the furnace and repeated the process and quenched it again, and again. Initially, we were quenching the specimen in water, then switched to alcohol with dry ice halfway through. A potential issue with using the alcohol and dry ice combination is your specimen is now covered in flammable alcohol, and once placed back into the furnace, it catches on fire. After many quenchings, we arranged our specimens on a piece of cardboard and applied the Penetrant Inspection Cleaner E59A. Next was to apply the Visible Inspection Penetrant VP30, which will sink down into our cracks and make them more visible to us. After allowing the specimens to soak for 15 minutes, we took them inside and rinsed them off. Then came time to apply the Penetrant Inspection Developer D70, which will then develop the penetrant that we had let soak into the material for us to easily find the cracks. After another 15 minutes, we placed the specimens under the microscope and went looking for cracks. All of these cracks were caused by the thermal shock induced on the specimen earlier. It is rather incredible how just going from hot to cold rapidly greatly affects the structure of the metal. Thank you for watching.